Hari Om children, Namaste to all. Welcome to the special episode of today, Ram Navami special. Okay, so let us start as usual with the usual prayers. Manushi and Vinisha will repeat after me. Om Vakratunda Mahakaya
Om Vakratunda Mahakaya
Surya Koti Samaprabha
Suryakoti Samaprabha
Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva
Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva
Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada
Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada
Saraswati Namastubhyam
Saraswati Namastubhyam
Varade Kamarupini
Varade Kamarupini
Vidyarambam Karishyami
Vidyarambham Karishyami
Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnuhu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha
Gurudevo Maheshwaraha
Guru Sakshat Parabrahma
Guru Sakshat Parabrahma
Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Thank you. Today is being Ramanavami special. We will chant Rama Stotram. You can repeat. Okay, both of you. Listen carefully and repeat. Shri Rama Rama Rameti
Shri Rama Rama Rameti
Rame Rame Manorame
Rame Rame Manurame
Sahasranama Tattulyam
Sahasranama Vatattulam
Ramanama Varanane
Rama Bhavavane
Shri Ramanama Varanana
Shri Rama Rama
Om Namayiti.
Om Namah.
We will chant two more times. Shri Rama Rama Rameti
Shri Rama Rama Rameti
Rame Rame Manorame
Rame Rame Rame
Sahasranama Tattulyam
Sahasranama Tattulyam
Ramanama Varanane
Rama
Shri Ramanama Varanana
Shri Rama Rama
Om Namayiti.
Om Namah.
Shri Rama Rama Rameti
Rama Rama Rameti
Rame Rame Manorame
Rame Rame Manorame
Sahasranama Tattulyam
Sahasranama Tattulyam
Ramanama Varanane
Rama Rama Varanane
Shri Ramanama Varanana
Shri Rama Rama Rama
Om Namayiti.
Om Namah.
Thank you. Now one more set. Who is going to repeat same sloka?
Mama, can I chant on my
Mama,
own?
can I chant?
No, junior children.
Mama,
Senior children, something else is
Mama,
there.
Mama, can
Only
I
junior.
He
Yeah.
raised his hand and junior.
Junior Vedant. Junior Vedant. Ready? You can chant
Yeah.
By yourself or repeat?
yourself. Repeat.
We'll tell it.
Okay, then chant.
Shri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tatulyam Rama Nama Varanane.
Shri Rama Nama Varanana.
Shri Rama Rama Varanane.
Om Nama Iti.
Om Nama Iti.
2 more times. Shri Rama Rama Rameti.
Shri Rama Rameti.
Shri Rama Rama Rameti.
Shri Rama Rama Rameti.
Rame Rame Manorame.
Rame Rame Nanoname.
Sahasranama Tatulyam.
Sahasranama Tatulyam.
Rama Nama Varanane.
Rama Nama Varanane.
Shri Rama Nama Varanana.
Shri Rama Nama Varanana.
Om Nama Iti.
Om Nama Iti.
Shri Rama Rama Rameti.
Shri Rama Rama Rameti.
Rame Rame Manorame.
Amma, can you repeat it?
Rame Rame Manorame.
Rame Rame Manorame.
Sahasranama Tatulyam.
Sahasranama Tatulyam.
Rama Nama Varanane.
Rama Nama Varanane.
Shri Rama Nama Varanana.
Shri Rama Nama Varanane.
Om Nama Iti.
Om Nama Iti.
Thank you, Vedant. Now, Samvrita, can you chant of yourself? Samvrita.
Can I get it?
You can chant? Or you want to repeat? Grahit?
Amma.
You will repeat?
Yes, Amma.
You are traveling, I think. Grahit?
Yes, Amma.
Then you just listen, okay? Samvrita will chant. Samvrita?
Shri
Samvrita?
Yes, Amma. Shri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tatulyam Rama Nama Varaname. Shri Rama Varanane.
Om Nama Iti.
Om Nama Iti.
Again. Shri Rama Rama Rameti.
Shri Rama Rama Rameti Rame
Rame.
Rame
Manorame. Manorame.
Manorame Sahasranama Tatulyam Rama Nama Varaname.
Varanane.
Varanane. Shri Rama Varanane. Om Nama Iti.
Shri Rama Nama. Shri Rama Nama Varanana.
Shri Rama Nama Varanana. Om Nama Iti.
Once more. Shri Rama.
Shri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tatulyam Rama Nama Varanane.
Shri Rama Nama Varanana. Om Nama Iti.
Shri Rama Nama Varanana. Om Nama Iti.
Yes, very good. Rama Nama. Okay, thank you, Samrida. Now for the elder children, who is going to repeat another stotram, Rama stotram? Virat,
Yes, Amma.
you can repeat, or you know Abadamada Hartaram. Do you know?
Amma, I'll repeat, Amma.
Okay.
Amma, I can say by myself.
Okay, after Virat, you can say, okay? Apadamapahartaram.
Apadamaramataram.
Apadamapahartaram.
Apadapamahartaram.
You displace there, you see correctly and pronounce correctly.
Amma, it's not there.
I am bringing it up. You
Yeah,
start. I will.
she will do it. She will do it. Yeah. So ma'am is displaying now. Just wait. Dataram.
Kataram.
Dataram.
Rataram.
Not ra. Dataram.
Dataram.
Sarvasampadam.
Sarvasampadam.
Lokabhiramam Shriramam.
Lokabhiramam Shriramam.
Bhuyo Bhuyo Namamyaham.
Bhuyo Bhuyo Namamyaham.
Once more. Apadamapahartaram.
Apadapamahartaram.
Dataram.
Dhataram.
Sarvasampadam.
Sarvasampadam.
Lokabhiramam Shriramam.
Lokabhiramam Shriramam.
Bhuyo Bhuyo Namamyaham.
Bhuyo Bhuyo Namamyaham.
Next sloka. Arthanamarthahantaram.
Amma, there's one more shloka.
Arthanam.
Arthanam.
Artihantaram.
Artihantaram.
Bhitanam.
Hitanam.
Bhitinashanam.
Bhitinashanam.
Dvishadam.
Vishadam.
Kaladandam tam.
Paladandandam.
Ramachandram.
Ramachandram.
Namamyaham.
Namamyaham.
Once more. Arthanam.
Arthanam.
Artihantaram.
Artihantaram.
Bhitanam.
Bhitanam.
Bhitinashanam.
Bhitinashanam.
Dvishatam.
Vishadam.
Kaladandam tam.
Kaladandandam.
Ramachandram namamyaham.
Ramachandram Namamyaham.
Okay, thank you, Virat. Now, Vishruta, you repeat after me. Vishruta. Hello, are you ready?
Yes, Amma.
Vishruta. You can repeat or you can chant.
I can repeat.
Okay. Agrata prishtataschaiva.
Agrita Pritatashtaiva
Parshvatascha.
Ashvatascha
Mahabalau.
Mahabalau
Akarnapurnadhanvanau.
Akarnapurnadhanvanau
Rakshetam.
Rakshetam
Ramalakshmanau.
Ramalakshmanau
Agradah prishtataschaiva.
Agrita Prishtadaschaiva
Parshvatascha.
Ashvatascha
Mahabalau.
Mahabalau
Akarnapurnadhanvanau.
Akarnapurnadhanvanau
Rakshetam Ramalakshmanau.
Rakshetam Ramalakshmanau
Next sloka. Sannadha kavachi.
Sannatha Kavachi
Khadgi.
Haggi
Chapa banadharo yuva.
Chapamanadharo Yuva
Gachan mamagrato nityam.
Janmamagriyam
Ramah patu sa Lakshmanah.
Ramapatasalakshmanaha
Sannadha kavachi Khadgi.
Kavachi Haggi
चापबाणधरो युवा. I am not able to hear properly. Shruta, where is your mic? Gachan mamagrato nityam
गच्छन्नामग्रतो नित्यम्
Ramah padu salakshmanah.
रामः पातु स लक्ष्मणः.
Thank you, Vishuddha. Another two sloka. Kushi will repeat. Kushi,
Yes, Amma.
you can repeat.
Yes, Amma.
Namah kodandahastaya
Namah Khodandahastaya
Sandhikrita
Sandhikritha
Sharaya cha
Charaya cha
Khanditakila
Khandithakila
Daityaya
Daityaya
Ramayapan
Ramayapan
Nivarine
Nivarane
Namah kodandahastaya
Namah Kodandahastaya
Sandhikrita
Sandhikrita
Sharaya cha
Charaya cha
Khanditakila
Kanditakhila
Daityaya
Daityaya
Ramayapan
Ramayapan
Nivarine.
Nivarine
Next sloka. Ramaya Ramabhadraya
Ramaya Ramabhadraya
Ramachandraya Vedhase.
Amma, I know this shloka.
Then chant.
Okay.
Ramachandra. Full.
Okay. Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedasi Raghunataya Nataya Sitaya Pataye Namaha.
Once more.
Okay. Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedasi Raghunataya Nataya Sitaya Pataye Namaha.
Very good. Thank you. Now Sai Nishant can chant full.
Amma, I only knew the first one.
Okay. First one you chant.
आपदामापहातारं धातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो महाम्यहं
Namamyaham.
नमाम्यहम्.
Once more.
आपदामापहातारं धातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्.
Next one. Artanamartihantaram
आर्तानामन्तिहन्तारां
Bhitanam Bhidinasanam
भीन्तानां भीतिनाशनं
Dvishatam Kaladandam Tam
द्विशलाकालकण्डं तं
Ramachandram Namamyaham.
रामचन्द्रं ममाम्यहम्.
Artanamartihantaram.
आर्तानां हन्ति आन्तानां
No. Artanam Artihantaram.
आर्तानाम् आर्तिहन्तानां
Hantaram
हन्तारं
Bhitanam
भीतानां
Bhidinasanam
भीतिनाशनं
Dvishatam
द्विषतां
Kaladandam Tam
कालदन्तं तं
Ramachandram Namamyaham.
रामचन्द्रं नमाम्यहम्.
Very good. Next two slokas. Anybody else want to repeat?
Amma, can we repeat Vaishnavi and sisters?
Okay. Very good. Agrada Prishtadaschaiva
Agrata Prishtataschaiva
Parshvatascha
Pashvatascha
Mahabalau
Mahabalau
Akarna Purna Dhanvanau
आकर्णपूर्णधन्वानौ
रक्षेतां रामलक्ष्मणौ
रक्षेतां रामलक्ष्मणौ
अग्रदपृष्ठतश्चैव
अग्रतपृष्ठतश्चैव
पार्श्वतश्च महाबलौ
पार्श्वतश्च महाबलौ
आकर्णपूर्णधन्वानौ
आकर्णपूर्णधन्वानौ
रक्षेतां रामलक्ष्मणौ
रक्षेतां रामलक्ष्मणौ
सन्नद्धः कवची खड्गी
सन्नद्धः कवची खड्गी
चापबाणधरो युवा
चापबाणधरो युवा
गच्छन्मामग्रतो नित्यम्
गच्छन् मामग्रतो नित्यम्
रामः पातु स लक्ष्मणः
रामपादु स लक्ष्मणः
सन्नद्धः कवची खड्गी
सन्नद्धः कवची खड्गी
चापबाणधरो युवा
चापबाणधरो युवा
गच्छन्मामग्रतो नित्यम्
गच्छन् मामग्रतो नित्यम्
रामः पातु स लक्ष्मणः
रामपादु स लक्ष्मणः
Thank you. Now V Vaishnavi is there. You can complete. You know this?
I can repeat.
Okay. Namah Kodandahastaya
नमः कोदण्डहस्ताय
Sandhikritasharaaya cha
सङ्गीकृतचराय च
Khanditakhiladaityaaya
खण्डिताशिलदैत्याय
Ramayapannivarine
रामायावन्निवारिणि
Namah Kodandahastaya
नमः कोदण्डहस्ताय
Sandhikritasharaaya cha
सङ्गीकृतचराय च
Khanditakhiladaityaaya
खण्डिताशिलदैत्याय
Ramayapannivarine
रामायापन्निवारिणि
Ramaya Ramabhadraya.
This one I know.
Come on, chant them.
रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः
Once more.
रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः
Thank you. Excellent. You all chanted very well. All these stotras you must practice. Okay. Over to Sudha ma'am.
Thank you. Likita, you wanted to display your drawing quickly, then we will move on to our next session. Are you ready? Okay. While you bring up, we will. Fine.
Okay, at the end you can show. You
Okay.
keep it ready. Okay, children, you all would have celebrated Ramanavami today. Did you all do puja to Rama? And enjoyed all payasam, vadai, panagam, whatever your mother prepared? Is that all you do on Ramanavami, or what else should you do? Doing puja, eating whatever preparations your mother is doing. What else should we do on Ramanavami? Can anybody tell?
Amma, pray to God, main thing.
Amma,
praying to God is the main thing.
Praying is there. You have to follow whatever qualities and virtues Rama had displayed. As an avatar, he had all the noble qualities. He was the personification of noble virtues. He is like a role model for all of us. He lived a life which is like a message for all of us. So on Ramanavami, at least we should think of all the great qualities of Rama. Not only thinking of that, we should try to follow them also. That is more important. Okay. Do anyone of you know by what name Rama is known for his great virtues? There is a special name for Rama. Anyone knows that name? which means a supreme man among all beings, the best among all honored people, honorable people. It means like that. Maryada Purushottam. Have you heard of that name? Okay, hereafter you should know. Rama is known as Maryada Purushottam. Why he is known by this name? Because of the great virtues Rama had. So, can you all tell some great qualities of Rama? You all know Ramayana story. So, just one by one, whatever you can tell, great qualities of Rama.
Yes.
Amma, he was very patient. As when he waited for 3 days so that a bridge would come.
Okay,
Patient.
patient.
V Vaishnavi.
Amma, respect to elders and parents.
Very good.
Okay. Anybody else?
Who else? There's so many qualities, no?
Think of Ramayana story. You will remember great qualities of Rama.
More than my brother Kapila that never suffered Ramayana.
Rahit, yes.
All he knows is
Respect brothers.
Respect brothers, love for his brothers,
Yes.
okay.
And
Others? Not yes, we
Amma,
Amma, friendship.
friendship.
yes.
Kushi?
Amma, can I say Samrita?
Yes, Samrita.
Mom, accepting.
Huh?
Accepting.
Accepting.
Everything. Okay.
Okay.
Say, maybe you're trying to say Prasad. Okay, Kushi. And then Hania.
Amma, he was obedient and
Obedient.
courageous too.
Courageous.
Yes.
Hania.
Amma, he was honest.
Honest. Virat.
He always obeyed his parents. He never went back on any word.
Yeah, but he stood by
Yes,
what he said.
truthful, very truthful and honest. Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Anything else left? Okay. Then actually you all have covered most of the points. Valmiki has in the Ramayana mentioned 16 great qualities of Rama. Actually, once Valmiki asked Narada Muni, is there anyone having all these 16 qualities? And Narada only said Rama only has all the 16 great qualities. Let us see what are those 16 qualities. Number one, Gunavan. He had excellent qualities. Viryavan. He is known for his bravery, strong. Dharmagya. He was always righteous, followed Dharma. Kritagya. He was grateful. Satyavakya. Truthful. Dridavratah. He was self-determined. Charitrena. Endowed with good conduct. Sarvabhuteshu hitah. He is benefactor of all beings. Vidwan, he had knowledge of everything. Then Samartha, competent in doing things.
Yeah. So these are some 10 qualities. We will see 6 more of Lord Rama's quality. Eka Priya Darshana. He's always pleasant. Okay, he's not irritated. Always he's in a pleasant state. Atmavan. So undeterred with enormous courage. That he possessed enormous courage. Jita Krodha. He had control over his anger. Okay. Then Dyutiman. One who shines brightly is Dyutiman. Satyavakya. Is it coming twice? Okay. Truthful. Okay. And Anasuyaka. One who is not jealous or envious of others. Then the last one, Jata Rosha. See, Lord Rama never, used to get angry. He was always forgiving, understanding, and very respectful of people. But when required, when he's forced or when their enemies do something really bad, then nobody can withstand his wrath. So that's the meaning of Jata Rosha. These are the 16 qualities that Lord Rama exhibited. So these 16 qualities followed by Hindi. So this is he's the ideal human being who carries all the virtues of a ideal human being. So we should try to adopt, learn, and follow and acquire these qualities so that we also move towards becoming a little more ideal every other day. Okay. Now we will play a small game. It's a puzzle. Okay, one by one. So I will be showing a string of letters, and you should identify there are words from Ramayana hidden in that string. Okay, you will raise your hand. We will give chance to everybody. Let's see if you are able to find out all the words hidden there. Okay, are you all ready? Okay, this is the first one. Quickly raise your hands, and you can Kushi and then Vishruta.
Amma Kaikai.
Yes, Kaikeyi, I can see it. Vishruta, Kaushalya, yes. Sai,
Amma, can I say? Amma Sugriva.
Amma.
Hmm?
May I say Adya?
Sugriva.
Sugriva, very good.
Amma,
Adya, and after that, Vaishnavi
Ma'am.
sisters.
Amma, I was about to tell
Amma, even my
Sugriva
brother was
same.
sister.
Amma.
Yes, Vedant.
Indrajit.
Indrajit. Oh, you found out Indrajit. Yes, Vaishnavi sisters.
Virat?
After Vaishnavi sisters, Virat.
Amma Sugriva and Vali.
Sugriva, Vali. Yes, Vali you found out. That's new. Wait, Grahit, Virat, you tell me.
Amma Mithila.
Mithila, very good. Yes,
Amma
Grahit.
found another one.
Lanka.
Grahit found Lanka. Very good. Then,
I found.
Amma, my brother found, not Lanka.
okay, very good, Vedant. Grahit, you want to say something then? Other than, huh?
Yes,
Sita, very good.
First,
That is the first word. Very
coming,
good.
Sita.
Yes, Hania.
Mom, same. I was about to tell Sita.
No problem. You all have observing very well. Vishruta, you want to say one more?
Ma'am, Tataka.
Tataka. Yes, Tataka. Yes, very good. There is one more, I think.
Amma, can I? Virat?
Yes, Virat.
Amma, there's also Indra.
Indra, okay. Yeah, but Indra is common in all our this thing. Indrajit, is it? So have you all found everything? Sita. There is one character you have not found. Quickly, then we will move on to the next one.
Amma. Mithila.
Mithila, okay, good. Mithila and near Mithila, between Sita, Tataka.
Kaikeyi.
Yes, Hasini, Kaikeyi, very good. So I think
I thought it was
Sita,
Amma, I thought it was over.
Amma.
yeah,
Ma, I was the first one to tell it. Kaikai.
Mithila, no? Kaikeyi. Kushi told, is
Kushi
it?
told
Oh,
Kaikeyi.
okay, very good.
Yes,
Very good. So Sita, Tataka, Kaikeyi, Mithila, Lanka, Kaushalya, Sugriva, Vali, Indrajit. Okay, very good. You all found out. Very good. Let's go on to the next word. Yes. Go on.
Lavakusha.
Lava is there. Kusha, I don't
not
see.
there, only
Kusha is
Lava.
only Lava.
Kishkinda.
Very
Amma,
good.
this is V. Vaishnavi. Ravana.
One by one.
Ravana.
Can I, Virat? Amma, can I, Virat?
Wait 1 second. Vaishnavi
Amma, can I,
sister.
Virat?
Yes,
Amma.
after Vaishnavi. Yes, G.
Amma,
Vaishnavi.
Ravana.
Ravan, very good. Yes,
Amma,
Virat.
Vishwamitra and Sumitra.
Amma V. Vaishnavi.
Good. Yes, JSV Vaishnavi.
Ahalya.
Very good.
Amma Vishwamitra.
Vishwamitra also and Sumitra, both
Amma
Vedanta and
Valmiki.
Vedanta.
Amma
Amma,
Valmiki.
this is Chinmay.
Very good. Next. Yes, Chinmay.
Amma Sumitra.
Amma, can I, Virat? Amma, I found one.
Wow, yeah, let me see. Okay, yes, Virat.
Amma Ravana.
Okay, Ravan, I think somebody said, Vaishnavi sisters, I think they said already. Anything new?
Amma, Rama. Rama.
Rama, very good, Rama. Anything, okay, Love, Valmiki, Kishkinda, Vishwamitra, Rama, Ahilya, Sumitra, Ravan, and there is also a character called Nal.
Null and Neel, they helped in building that bridge. Oh,
Nalla Neel.
Null.
Nal.
Blue and the red and blue.
Next
yeah,
word.
is also there.
Okay, next word. Yes, next word.
Amma, can I?
Amma,
Amma, can I?
Vishruta and Virat. Okay, first
Amma, this
Virat.
is
Amma,
Vibhishana. Vibhishana.
Virat. Everybody give chance.
Mandodari.
Lakshman.
Amma, Hanuma.
Okay, silent, 2 minutes, okay? Everybody, I know is observant, everybody is very good, but we'll give chance on so that everybody else can hear also, okay? Junior Vedant, you want to say?
Hanuman and Lakshman.
Amma,
Very good. Okay. Okay. Hanuman, Lakshman, Vibhishan is already over. So anything else if somebody
Amma
wants?
Mandodari.
Can I tell Mandodari?
Okay. Hasini, Virat have said Mandodari. There is one more.
Amma Vibhishana.
Vibhishana is over.
Somebody told.
Amma Lakshman.
Mandavi. Yes.
Sugriv.
Very good. Was the Vedant? Okay. Mandavi, Vibhishan, Hanuman. Then there is one more. Lakshman is there. Mandodari is there.
Amma Lakshman is already done.
Ah, Urmila. Very good. Very good. Okay, we'll go to the next word.
Amma, can I say Mandodari?
Yes, next one. We've gone to the fourth.
Kusha.
Yes.
Amma, this is Vaishnavi. Can I?
Dasharatha.
Yes, T.
Amma,
Vaishnavi.
Dasharath.
Dasharatha. Okay, G.
Dasharath.
No, I'm not accepting these answers. The name I call out, only they will answer. Okay. Yes, Manushri.
Dasharat.
Dasharath. Very good, Manushri. G. Vaishnavi.
Shatrugna.
Very Shatrughna. Okay. Hasini has raised her hand.
Amma Kusha.
Usha is over. Okay. Okay, Vishruta.
Angada.
Angada, very good. And is there anything else? Virat, do you see anything else?
No.
There is one more character there.
Is it Taran? If I'm not wrong.
Tara.
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 Tara is okay. There is before Tara also combine and say there's one more character there. That's Antara. Antara.
Amma,
Okay, the last one. Nobody will shout. Please raise your hand. I know all of you are able to find out. It's just that we'll give chance to everybody. Okay. Last one. V. Vaishnavi.
Amma, Janaka.
Very good. Next.
Amma,
You,
can I-
everybody tell. Only one. Yes, Vedant. Only one.
Janaka.
Janaka. Okay.
Amma,
That's
Sainisha.
yes, Sai.
Amma, can I?
Maricha. Marichi.
Marich. Okay, okay. If you should repeat.
Amma,
Is
can
it
I say?
different?
Can I say two?
They say one only. We should be,
Chitra.
no. Virat one and Vishnuta one.
Amma, Chitrakoot.
Chitrakoot is
Anya.
right. Vishnuta, anything else?
Amma, can I?
Chitrakuta.
Amma, can I? Virat. I saw.
I say
Virat
Anya.
already said Kushi.
Amma, mine was the same Chitra.
Okay.
Amma,
Anybody?
can I? Virat. There's one more.
Amma, this is G. Vaishnavi.
G. Vaishnavi.
Amma, in the fourth one, can Anga be counted?
Angada, I think Angad we already
Yes.
said.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Anga is a
Amma.
place, right?
Anga. Okay.
Amma, for the fifth one, can I answer?
Yes, Virat.
Ma'am, Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar, very good. So it's all done. Janak, Akshay Kumar, Mari, Chitrakoot. Very good. You all did very well. Okay. Claps to everyone. You all know the characters of Ramayana and you're all very observant and quick. Okay. So appreciate everyone. Now we will learn a small bhajan. Okay.
Okay, you all can put your hands down. Those who want to sing only raise your hand. One by one, we have. Those who are interested in repeating this bhajan. Oh, so many. So first we'll ask Vaishnavi sisters. Okay. Ramam bhajo Raghu Ramam bhajo. Can you repeat?
Ramam bhajo.
I'll repeat. Ramam bhajo Raghu Ramam bhajo. All the three sing. Vaishnavi sisters.
Ramam bhajo, Raghu Ramam bhajo.
Again the same line. Ramam bhajo Raghu Ramam bhajo.
Ramam bhajo, Raghu Ramam bhajo.
Raghukula tilakam Ramam bhajo.
Raghukula tilakam Ramam bhajo.
Ramam bhajo Raghu Ramam bhajo.
Ramam bhajo, Raghu Ramam
Now Adya Abhirami will sing the same 2 lines. Ramam bhajo Raghu Ramam bhajo.
Ramam bhajo Raghuramam bhajo.
Raghukula tilakam Ramam bhajo.
Raghukula tilakam Ramam bhajo.
Very good. Vedant. Ramam bhajo Raghu Ramam bhajo.
Ramam bhajo Raghuramam bhajo.
Raghukula tilakam Ramam bhajo.
Raghukula tilakam Ramam bhajo.
Now Samrita, next line. Dasharatha tanayam Ramam bhajo.
Dasharatha Nandana.
Nandanai, Dasharatha tanayam. Tanayam.
Dasharatha
Nandanava. Dasharatha Nandana Ramam bhajo.
Dasharatha Nandana Ramam bhajo.
Nikita, repeat the same line. Dasharatha Nandana Ramam bhajo. Nikita is not there. Okay, Hasini. Dasharatha Nandana Ramam bhajo.
Dasharatha Nandana Ramam bhajo.
Dasharatha Nandana
Dasharatha Nandana
Ramam bhajo.
Ramam bhajo.
Now Virat. Dashamukha Mardana Ramam bhajo.
Dashamukha Mardana Ramam bhajo.
Dashamukha Mardana Ramam bhajo.
Dashamukha Mardana Ramam bhajo.
Ramam bhajo Raghu Ramam bhajo. Hania.
Ramam bhajo Raghu Ramam bhajo.
Ramam bhajo Raghu Ramam bhajo.
Ramam bhajo Raghu Ramam bhajo.
Okay, this week we'll stop here. Next week again we'll do this bhajan. Okay, because time is up. Now Uma ma'am will take over.
Harihi Om children. Sarve Samskrita Vargaya Swagatam. Adya Bhagavan Sri Ram Ramasya Janmadinam. Sarve Rama Janma Dinasya Subhashayaha. Sri Ramasya Dashaha Sri Hanuman. Sarve Jananti Kalu. All are you knowing that Hanuman?
Yes, Amma.
Yes, ma. Yes, Amma.
Very good. Uttam.
I do.
Hanuman is a powerful god, as well as very intelligent, Buddhiman also. So now we will see the beautiful Hanuman Katha. Before that, we will see the Swaraha. Soumya ma'am, can you share the?
Hema ma'am
Hema will
sharing.
share
Yes,
it.
I'm sharing it. I'm sharing it, ma'am. Varnamala.
Varnam. Yes. These are called Swaraha. First one, A, I, E, no. These are called Swaraha. That is Aksharani. Aksharani, that is Ach vowels. These are called Ach vowels. These vowels are in Maheshwara Sutrani. We will read afterwards that Maheshwara Sutrani in detail. Okay? Who is repeat with me?
Amma, can I? I'm Vedant.
Vedant. Agachatu, vadatu. A, 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 A.
A, A.
I, E.
I, E.
U, U.
U, U.
A.
A.
I.
I.
O.
O.
Au.
Au.
Ru.
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 R.
R.
Aha.
Aha.
R is not there in Sanskrit. Okay. Next. Who is ready to repeat? Samrudha?
Come on.
Samrudha is ready?
Yes, Amma.
Come on. A. E.
E.
U. A. I. O. Au. R. Ah. You press your tongue. Okay. R. Aha. Very good. Very good. Uttam. Next, Virat. Agachatu.
Agachatu, Amma.
Okay. Very good. These are all. Next one. Kaka is the consonants. These are all consonants. These are hal consonants. Hal means mrudu vyanjanani, karkasha vyanjanani. Both are here. Okay. Now we can tell one by one. Ka, kha. Ga. Ga. Ga.
Ra.
Ra mean no. Ka.
Ka.
Ka. You tell like ikka. Okay. Next, second one is karkasha vyanjanam. That is ka. 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 It is difficult for you?
No, Amma.
Ka.
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 Ga.
Ra.
Ga.
Ha.
Nga.
Nya.
Nga.
Na.
Na no. Nga.
Nya. No.
Cha.
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 Ja.
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 Dha.
No. Ja. You tell with the pressure. Ja.
Ja.
Your chest will lightly shaking. No. Ja. You tell fastly. Ja.
Ja.
Nya.
Nya.
Tha.
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 Da.
Da.
Dha.
Dha.
Na.
Na.
Tha.
Da.
Tha.
Tha.
Da.
Da.
Dha.
Dha.
Da. No. Dha. Dha. Dha.
Dha.
Na.
Na.
Pa.
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 Bha.
Ba.
Bha.
Bha.
Ma.
Ma.
Ya.
Ya.
Ra.
Ra.
La.
La.
Va.
Va.
Sha.
Sa.
Sha.
Sa.
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 Ha.
Ha.
Uttam. V. Vaishnavi. Agachatu. V. Vaishnavi. Are you ready, ma?
Yes, Amma.
Come on. Tell with me. Ka.
Ka.
Kha.
Kha.
Ga.
Ga.
Gha.
Gha.
Nga.
Nga.
Nya no. Nga.
Na.
Cha.
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 Ja. Ja.
Ja.
Ja.
Ja.
See the difference. Ja and ja is both are that mrudu vyanjanam, karkasha vyanjanam. Ja.
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 Nya.
Nya.
Ta.
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 Tha.
Da.
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 Dha.
Na.
Na.
Ta.
Ta.
Tha.
Tha.
Da.
Da.
Dha.
Dha.
Na.
Na.
Pa.
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 Ha.
Bha.
Ba.
Bha.
Bha.
Ma.
Ma.
Ya.
Ya.
Ra.
Ra.
La.
La.
Va.
Va.
Sha.
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 Sha means your tongue must be touching the roof of the mouth. Okay. Sha.
Sha.
Sa.
Sa.
Ha.
Ha.
Okay. These are all consonants. Vyanjanani. Okay. Now we Uttamamma. Uttamam. Now we will see one Hanuman Katha. Very beautiful Katha. We will see. Dheera Balakaha Anchaneyaha. Hema ma'am. Do you display that?
I don't have the story, ma'am.
Acha, okay. I sent to Amma.
Okay, no, my Amma didn't send to me.
Acha, okay. 1 minute. I will
You
send
can
you.
send to me now also.
Acha, okay. Okay, it's okay. I will tell in my mouth also. Dheeraha Balakaha Anchaneyaha. Dheeraha Balaka Anchaneyaha means brave boy Anchaneya. I think you know all this story. You all know. Okay. So it is very easy for you to understand. Dheera Balakaha Anchaneyaha. Brave boy Anchaneya. Anchaneyaha Anchana Devyaha Putraha. Anchaneyaha Anchana Devyaha Putraha. Anchaneya was the son of Anchana Devi. Can I share now also for you, ma, Hema?
Yeah, if it's coming on the WhatsApp, I'll share it. Have you sent it?
Yes, ma.
Okay, let me just check. I'll see. I have not received it still. Uma ma'am, I have not received the WhatsApp. You send WhatsApp.
1 minute. I will send now. 1 minute.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Once a moment I receive, I will share it.
1 minute. I am sending now.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, just received. Received, ma. I'll just share it. You can start. I will share.
Okay. Anchaneyaha Anchana Devyaha Putraha. Anchaneya was the son of Anchana Devi. Next, Tasya Pita Vayudevaha. His father was Vayudeva. Hanuman's father name was Vasudeva. Vayudeva. Saha Suryodaya Kale Janma Praptavan. This very good. Saha Suryodaya Kale Janma Praptavan. He was born at sunrise. Ekavaram Mata Anchana Devi Snanartham Gadavati. Once mother Anchana Devi went to take a bath. Tasmin Samaye Suryaha Uditavan. At the time the sun rose. Suryaha Raktavaranaha. The sun is in the red color. The rising sun is red color. Balaka Anchaneyaha Suryam Drishtavan. The child Anchaneya saw the sun. The child Anjaneya saw the sun. Akashe phalamasti iti saha chintitavan. He thought there was a fruit in the sky. He thought there was a fruit in the sky. Tat grihitum saha akasham prati kurdanam kritavan. Tat grihitum saha akasham prati kurdanam kritavan. He leaped or jumped into the sky to catch it. He jumped into the sky to catch it. What is that? The sun. He want to catch the sun. Kintu Suryaha upari gatavan. But the sun went up and up. That is, sun was going far above in the sky. Ante Anjaneya Suryam grahitavan. Finally, Anjaneya caught the sun. Finally, Anjaneya caught the sun. Suryaha tapamayaha at ushnaha kalu. The sun is very, very hot. Is it right? Ataha Anjaneyasya hastaha dagdaha bhavat. Ataha Anjaneyasya hastaha dagdaha bhavat. So Anjaneya's hand was burnt. So Anjaneya's hand was burnt. So Saha Suryam Kshiptavan. He threw the sun from his hand. He threw the sun from his hand because it is too hot. That's why he threw the sun from his hand. Kinchita anantaram punaha Suryam grahitum prayatnam kritavan. After a while, he tried to catch the sun again and again. After a while, he tried to catch the sun again and again. Punaha hastaha daktaha. Again the hand was burnt for Anjaneya. Ataha saga Suryam Kshiptavan. So he threw the sun again. Evam punaha pravrittam. This happened again and again. Anjaneyasya karyam drishtva devaha indrasya samipam gatavantaha. Anjaneyasya karyam drishtva devaha indrasya samipam gatavantaha. Seeing the work of the Anjaneya, the demigods, devas, you know devas, approached the king Indra. Anjaneyasya vishayam uktavantaha. They spoke about Anjaneya. Anjaneya is doing again and again, he is catching the sun. That matter is talking with Indra. Indraha Saumyam Preshitavan. Indraha Sainyam Preshitavan. Indra sent an army. Indra, Hema ma'am, your voice is hearing. Hema ma'am. The Indra sent an army. So Kintu Anjaneyaha Sarvan Sainikan Maritavan. But Anjaneya killed all the soldiers. Indrasya Senapati Palayanam Kritavan. The commander of the Indra's army fled means escaped from the war site. The commander of the Indra's army fled means escaped from the war site. Ataha Indraha Swayameva Airavatam Arudavan. So Indra himself mounted or boarded his own elephant Yuddha Bhumim Airavatam. Yuddha Bhumim Agatavan. He came to the battlefield. He came to the battlefield with his own elephant Airavatam. Indraha Hastena Vajrayudam Grahitavan. Indra took the thunderbolt in his hand. Indra took the thunderbolt in his hand for war. Anjaneya Indrena Saha Yuddham Kritavan. Anjaneya fought his. The screen is correct now. Anjaneya Indrena Saha Yuddham Kritavan. Anjaneya fought with Indra. Saha Mushtya Indram Prakritavan. He struck Indra with his fist. He struck Indra with his fist. Indraha Vajrayudena Anjaneyasya Hanau Upari Taditavan. Hanau means chin. Indra struck Anjaneya's chin with his thunderbolt. Ataha Anjaneyasya Hanau Shotaha Utpannaha. This caused inflammation in his Anjaneya's jaw. He is the child, no? That's why this caused inflammation, this Anjaneya's jaw. Anjaneyaka Ataha Patitavan. Anjaneya fell down. Indraha Anjaneyasya Shauryam Drishtva Anandam Anubhutavan. Indraha Anjaneyasya Shauryam Drishtva Anandam Anubhutavan. Indra was delighted to see the courage of Anjaneya. Saka Bhavan Maha Shaktiyudaha Bhavatu iti Asirvadam Kritavan. Indraha Bhavan Maha Shaktiyudaha Bhavatu iti Asirvadam Kritavan. He blessed him, may you be endowed with great power. Ataha Anjaneyaha Maha Shaktiyudaha Jataha. That is, therefore, Anjaneya became endowed with great power. Indraha Anjaneyasya Hana Upari Taditavan. Because of Indra had struck Anjaneya on his jaw, Anjaneya's jaw always looked swelled. Always looked swelled. Is it not? Anjaneya's mouth is always red. Because of Indra's struck. Tadarabhya Anjaneyaha Hanuman iti Kyadaha Jataha. From then, Anjaneya became known as Hanuman. Anjaneyasya Marutihi Pavana. Next page. Next one. That page. Yes, correct. Anjaneyasya Marutihi Pavana Putraha Anjana Sunuhu Hanuman Mukhya Pranaha Vayuputraha Ityadini Namani Santi. Anjaneyaha has several names. Maruti, Pavanputra, Anjana Sunuhu, Hanuman, Mukhya Prana, Vayuputra, and others, and so on. Dhanyavadaha. Children, avagatam va? Survey avagatam va? Can you understand the story, all children?
Yes, Amma.
Vaishnavi, you can understand, no? A little difficult
Yes,
because
Amma.
children, this is the beginning stage for them, no? So little difficult, but you can understand the Sanskrit. Yes. Thank you so much. Dhanyavadaha. Hema ma'am, you continue with it.
Thank you, ma'am. Sudha, ma'am, shall we have the closing prayer now?
But already it is 5:36.
Okay, closing prayer.
Wait, I think we'll stop here.
Okay.
Next,
Okay.
your story next week.
Yes.
On
So, Lakshmi, ma'am, we can have the closing prayer.
Yeah. Okay, children. So nice story you heard from Uma ma'am and the bhajan also, and all stotram, Rama stotram, all you must learn. Okay. It will do good always for you. Let us close today's. Om Asato Ma Satgamaya Tamasonma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you, everybody.
Hari Om Mama.
Hari Om.
Hari Om, Amma.
Hari Om, Amma.
Hari Om, Amma.
Hari Om, Amma.
Hari Om, Amma. 20 design is